I have to say that leaving aside the materialistic people, some of those who claim to follow religion, and in fact those who claim to represent Islam, are actually spreading religious fanaticism. However, in spite of this, it does not follow that having a relationship with God is not the solution. The Ahmadiyya community claims, and indeed those who are closely associated with us are witness to this, that not only do we raise a slogan for peace, but in fact we make practical efforts to establish tolerance, peace, and patience, so that the true teachings of Islam are correctly followed, and so that attaining God's pleasure is given precedence. Whenever our community is caused emotional suffering or pain, we exhibit patience and tolerance. When we are deprived of our due rights as a citizen, we display patience and tolerance. When financial harm is purposely inflicted upon us, we display patience and tolerance. When our properties and possessions are looted or destroyed, we display patience and tolerance. Even when our lives are taken, we display patience and tolerance. In Pakistan, we are forbidden from practicing our religion, but despite this, we do not create any disorder. In May last year, 86 Ahmadi Muslims were martyred whilst offering their Friday prayers. We bore this tragedy with patience. In Indonesia, our Ahmadis were recently martyred in most barbaric and cruel manner. We did not respond violently, nor did we conduct any covert attacks. Nevertheless, the Ahmadis living in Pakistan, Indonesia, and in other countries are still citizens of those countries. The Ahmadis are also from among the same local people and groups. Those Ahmadis are from the same societies where all of this terrorism is taking place. If not openly, then secretly some of our members could have carried out undesirable or unpleasant activities. But we have never displayed a harsh reaction or wrong response of any kind, because we have been taught to adopt patience and tolerance. We have always implemented the teachings of Islam, that you should never take the law into your own hands and always keep the best interest of your country in view and never create disorder, because this is a requirement of true love for your country. Wherever in the world Ahmadis reside, no matter which country they originate from, be they Asian or African or Arab or European or American, their behavior is always the same. For the sake of attaining Allah's pleasure, they always steer clear of all forms of disorder. And this is the conduct that one day will not only save the world from anarchy, in fact, it will be the guarantor for world peace. Today, the world is in desperate need that it should adopt this attitude at every level of recognizing its Creator and fulfilling the rights due to His creation. The people of the world should not only be concerned for their own rights, but should also look at their own obligations and be concerned for the welfare of others. This principle should apply at an individual level, a national level, and an international level, and it should be adopted by national leaders and should also be observed by the major nations of the world. Without this, any effort that takes place will have only temporary effect and will not guarantee permanent peace. It is my prayer that the desire both you and I hold for peace to be established in the world is soon achieved. At the end, I would like to once again thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for having enlightened this evening and listened to my words. Thank you.
Just before dinner is served, His Holiness will now lead us in silent prayer. We pray by raising our hands. You may join us in any manner you feel comfortable.
Please join me in silent prayer. Ameen.
Thank you very much. Thank you. That's very kind of you. Lord David, yes, sir. ये तो एक्चुअली
इनको बता दिया सलाम नहीं करता मैं, एक खतून को बता दिया ना सलाम नहीं करता, खतून को पता है ना सलाम नहीं करता।
जी पता है, been here before me. It's from Cornwall, is it? From Cornwall.
Yes.
Yes, from Freedom.
I'm here because I cover the whole of Cornwall as the commander, but also on behalf of Stephen Otter, who is obviously from Police ZACPO, lead in relation to diverse issues. Thank you.
बड़े तो बड़ा काम हो नहीं सकता और उसके नाल ये कि कुर्बानी भी बड़ी बड़ी करनी पैंदी है इस करके ये लोगों को कितना लगता है
He's a Palestine campaign group and he's been serving that community for that campaign for some time.
He has been here before.
No, this is his first time.
के ने सुना से देख के आए सब बड़ी नाइस उन्हें नहीं प्यार की था कि दोबारा भेजा बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया
एकदम कादियान बहुत से हुआ कादियान yes he's the first consular from Ivory Coast no Ivory Coast for the Ivory Coast
Yes, I met him.
Thank you very much.
When?
I got my MA last December on interreligious relations.
Nice to see you. Thank you very much for coming. Walaikum Assalam. Nice to see you.
Thank you very much. Honored to be here.
How are you?
How are you?
I am getting better. I've been a little bit getting better. Yes. Thank you for your presence.
Now you look quite okay.
Yeah, but the operations are, in my back. But it's good to have you here.
Thank you very much for
But
coming.
please, this piece is so important, but to be far bigger than a small containment. The world is in a distraught situation. But thank you for your words.
Nice to see you everywhere. Nice to see you.
Very pleased to see you.
Thank you very much for coming here.
Not at all. Thank you very much.
बुलाया था हम अपने विलेज में इस्लाम पे बातें करने के He invited us. I was just explaining, sorry, that you invited us to Small Fields to give us talk on Islam.
Thank you very much
He's
for
now
coming
the
here.
chairman of the district council.
I got a little bit upset, but I'm okay now. We're just wanted to say that. Thank you.
David Mullen. I'm the Mayor of Richmond upon Thames, which is fairly nearby. And I have visited here before
before. A very, very nice visit it was too. And I'm very supportive of the multicultural in Richmond, Hounslow, all the areas. So it's a very, very, very peaceful group. I'm very impressed. Thank you very much indeed. Good to see you.